Customer called for a service. They are getting code 228 from Slp98. So you can see the fire is still there, and right now he's working on it's not giving any error yet. We are waiting to see if we can get any error from it. I'll open the door. See the fire is there. And we are not getting any error code yet. Error code 228. It's regarding the pressure switch, which is for modulating furnace from Lennox Slp98. Let me show you the error code here. Alrighty, so we try to replace the pressure switch. Hello, how are you? No worries, I'm good.
Okay, I didn't. Let's have a look.
How's everything?
It's fine. I have to. I don't know if this is better or.
Oh, that's, come on, that's much better.
Much better.
At least I saved my battery.
Shit.
Alright, so.
I don't know if it gets brighter.
No, it's good. So let me see how can I hold it. Okay, çok bem film mi gireyim? Alright, so. So this is a new pressure switch, and we're replacing with the old one. So you have to make sure that you're putting the right size. This is all information is written here. This one basically, and you have to put the wiring back to the normal. So I do turn the furnace off first. Color coded, so red and the black one. Now it comes for the wiring. You have to make sure you put the wiring in the right place. Pressure switch has been replaced, so now let's turn it on, see what happens. It's calling for heat now. Exhaust fan is working. Igniter is coming. Slp98 pressure switch, which has been replaced. This is the old one.